Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the best roasted broccoli ever. I have always been a broccoli lover, but my family, not so much. Today, I'm showing you the best roasted broccoli ever. This is the only way I can get my family to enjoy broccoli. To start, we need to cut our broccoli into florets. So I'm gonna have it upside down here and use a sharp knife to run around the edge here and cut all of the broccoli off the stalks and pick up all the ones that I've dropped. Oops. Then slide this all onto a baking sheet. Then you'll need some garlic. Just take the whole head and you're gonna crush it. Apply some pressure there so that you can then get in here and dig out 3 cloves. And I'm gonna slice off the ends so I can then easily remove the peels. And then you'll thinly slice 3 of those cloves. And then take those garlic slices and sprinkle them throughout your broccoli right on the sheet pan. Then take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and drizzle this right over the broccoli on the sheet pan. And then season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. I use about 1/4 teaspoon each on that. You can always add more later to taste, so start out small. Then you can just give this all a quick toss on the sheet pan, and we're gonna roast this in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the broccoli is tender. Now, in the meantime, you're gonna want to grab a lemon. You wanna get all that zest off of there and then juice that lemon as well. And then you'll also want to shred a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is all gonna go on top. Now, once your broccoli is done roasting, we're gonna pull it out of the oven and then we're gonna drizzle on some of the lemon juice. And then we'll grab the lemon zest and sprinkle that on. And then last, our Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna grab this and return it to the oven for just 2 to 3 minutes to let that cheese melt. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.